when something works, he will stick to that. And so we're seeing Tenorio and for Coach Luigi with Banquero, Halam, and Newsom playing all together.
Tenorio. Now they go inside. C-Stan ties things up
as well. In Coach Richard's words, we need to anticipate the Meralco will come in more physical in this game, so we cannot.
So the struggles continue here for Newsom.
Tenorio with a floater. We talked about the importance of getting off to a very good start in Banquero.
To defend against LA Tenorio.
What a move there from Stanley Pringle. Almazan can hit that and does.
He was the focal point of the Meralco offense.
Bates tries to go inside, gets two. Inside, chop it, big slam.
Wow.
We gotta see that again in a bit, but look at this.
Because he doesn't need the minutes, but every time you call his name, he produces.
Chop it, will misfire. Baby hook works. So on the other end,
and
has come in.
Coach Tim Cohn is using Ku here as a stretch four. Ginebra on the floor.
That's gonna drop there for C-Stan.
With four good outside shooters here.
Banquero inside with a floater. Works. Chris now with 5 points in the contest. Scoring. It's close to launching. Here is Quinto. Falling away. Money. Puts up a long one. Long rebound. It goes over to Maverick.
It's his first less of the game.
Maverick will overshoot. Big slam there from Japet. Point advantage enjoyed. Here come the Bolts. Second serving. Works there for Hod.
You need to make them pay by getting a lot of offensive rebounds and putbacks. Nice play though.
Karam, long two. Money. Newsom left wide open. Bang! Banquero! Wow, what? Christian will go up high. Scotty Thompson with a long two. Lies it. Puts up a quick one and hits. Shot clock is now down to 6. Does Banquero realize? Now they'll set up in the half court. Banquero will launch and hit. There is Bates once again.
That's what he does.
And that is going to give them another. Held his own here against C-Stan. Falling away, Stan Hardinger. Thompson looking for space. Pinto for 3.